Before a single model is trained, there's unglamorous work that decides whether it succeeds. Cleaning the data. And it all starts with hunting down what's broken. Real-world data almost never arrives clean. Here's a tiny customer table, and even at a glance, something is off in nearly every row. First, the missing values, these empty cells. A blank age, a blank income, a blank city. Most models simply cannot run with a hole in the data. They'll crash, or quietly throw the whole row away. So the first thing we do is count them, column by column. Age missing once, income once, city once. Now we know the exact scale of the problem. Missing is the easy case. Worse are the values that are present, but impossible. An age of 999. An age of -5. A join date that just reads bad. These slip right past a simple missing check. And this matters enormously. Garbage in, garbage out. A single age of 999 can wreck an average, and pull your whole model off course. So here is the habit of every good practitioner. Before modeling, profile the data. Count the missing values, scan the ranges, and check the types. Look before you leap. Finding the problems, the missing and the invalid values, is step 1. Next, what do we actually do about the gaps? We fill them in, carefully. That's imputation.